Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please consider subscribing. In this short video, we'll show that tan theta plus cot theta is equal to 1 over sine theta. Basically, this is a short and simple, straightforward problem. It's just a matter of expressing the left-hand side in terms of the sine and cosine. So before we do that, we need to first recall that, okay, so what is tan or theta? Tan of theta is the same as 1 over cot of theta. But again, what's tan exactly? Tan of theta is the sine of theta over cosine of theta. So which is basically uh, the reverse when you are talking about cosine cot of theta. So because it's going to be then cos of theta over sine of theta. So when we know this, then that means we are in good shape to start working on our left hand side. And so which means that we are going to have tan of theta plus cot of theta basically being equal to the sine of theta over cosine of theta, that is when you substitute for tan, then plus cot. Cot is the reverse of tan, which is basically the cosine over sine. So this is going to be basically cosine of theta over sine of theta. This is what we have. So next is to make sure that we put everything on the same denominator, and so that means we need a product of these two. This is going to be sine theta, cosine of theta, and then this divided by that, sine survives, sine by the sine, that goes to sine squared of theta, then plus this divided by that, sine will cancel, so cos survives, and then that becomes cos squared of theta. Okay, so here we go, and then what you're going to do is to recall the basic or the first fundamental trigonometric expression or identity, whatever you can call it, which is basically sine squared theta plus cos squared of theta is equal to 1. This is the first, almost the first trigonometric identity which everyone must know. Okay, so when we know this, then that means we are in good shape to substitute in here, and so that basically becomes the numerator becomes 1 because it is sine squared plus cosine equals 1, and so that becomes 1 over sine of theta cosine of theta, as simple as that. So we could say that therefore tan of theta plus cot of theta is equal to 1 over sine of theta cosine of theta, as simple as that. Thank you for watching. Please watch other videos of verifying these trigonometric proofs.